Hello everybody. Today I'm going to explain you what is hashtag, and we need to learn how and when to use hashtag. So basically hashtag is a symbol which is on your keyboard. Usually is next to an @ key. So on the keyboard I'm going to type it so you can see. I'm going to make it large. I like to, when I explain stuff, I like to demonstrate so people know, because sometimes people cannot hear. So by observation, they can learn. So in this video, I'm going to explain what is hashtag. Right, okay. What is hashtag? Question mark. It's a symbol like this. This is hashtag. This symbol here. There you go. This one. This is called hashtag. This is called hashtag. So what does hashtag do? Or why hashtag? Yep. So basically, hashtag, there's so much confusion out there on the concept of the hashtag. So I thought I'll just explain it. So basically, hashtag is just a way of promoting a particular topic to your followers, to your viewers, or through the world of internet. Okay, for example, it's just like a keyword basically. You've probably seen this on a lot of Twitters, Facebook, Instagram, and many social platforms that people hashtag. So for example, if I want people to know what is hashtag, then I'm going to create a hashtag, a word. What is hashtag? So when you do this search, you may be able to find this video which I am making on YouTube. So when I post out, or when I send a picture, or when I send a video without hashtag, then it will not reach the wider community, wider public, wider people. But if I put hashtag, then this will come up on a lot of searches. Okay, so a hashtag allows us to convert a particular post, a photo, and it makes a link out of it. So if you are posting something about Apple, so if you hashtag Apple, then the internet or Google will search all the possible places where this word is mentioned with the hashtag. So if I put another hashtag and just type in quick answers, so you will see all the websites that creates this that has this hashtag. So you'll find this when you search a particular hashtag. So if I just type in hashtag YouTube, then this will find all the videos. Well, it will find thousands and thousands of links that has mentioned word YouTube. So if you list all the interest of businesses or any description, but you try and not to use too much hashtags. Try and keep your hashtag as small as possible, because people's not going to have time to search hashtag. For example, I am going to town. No one's gonna search that. It's a very long. So if you just type in town, then this will extend so many people, or maybe shopping. Yeah, there's no point overusing this, because people will lose interest and they'll lose the track of it. Because it's better to minimize using the hashtag. You don't have to mention this on every single video or every single post. Just keep it to your topic, and so a hashtag is just a way of grouping conversation, and especially all the people who follows you, they can extend your reach, and it does allow new people to connect to yourself. So it's good to learn. Thank you for watching, and goodbye.